Hey chef, what is a bechamel sauce? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you the basics on creating a milk thickening sauce known as bechamel sauce on this episode of Hey, what's going on everybody? Jimmy here with The Other Chef. On this channel, we talk about the food service industry. We also do some food product demos, as well as check out some of the eats and drinks in the local areas. So if you're interested in some of those topics, consider subscribing. So a bechamel sauce is technically a sauce that is thickened from a roux, some dairy product, particularly milk. So let's head into the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to create this very simple sauce. And there you have it. So just to add on from the demo, there are a couple of other sauces that you can make off of this bechamel sauce, such as if you want to do a cheese sauce, all you need to do is add some cheese, particularly something white or cheddar preferred, and then you have a sauce mornay. If you want to add herbs or mushrooms, then you have a different type of sauce. If you want to use it for another type of application, particularly my favorite of using it to make croquettes or a layered Italian style lasagna, in a video coming up real soon. Hey, thanks for watching. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications on future content on this channel. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.